see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Good morning. Kagabi hindi na natin na-close yung vlog. But today is the day na pupunta ng Adelaide si Kuya para sa Year 9 and 10 knockout football. Kasi nga, isa siya sa napili para maglaro. So, ayan na yung kanyang bag. And ito si Pogi. Hi, you look cool. Your hair is suck. Ayan, nasa bathroom ko. And kagabi nakapag-edit tayo. Medyo late ako nakakatulog kasi tinapos ko to. Tapos, ngayon gawa na ang thumbnail and upload na. Kasi na-upload na to. Thumbnail na lang yung kulang. And, yung bata, may perfume siya. Spray siya sa jumper niya.
Oh! Look, guys, look at my...
Ayan yung bag ni Kuya. Oh.
Guys, look at my color changing squishy. It's silver,
You got a towel
then
on?
it color
Yeah.
changes to pink. And then I got this one.
No, he doesn't use pajamas. Yun na yung mag-ama.
Like that.
Yes, like that, Kuya. Ayan yung pillow. Ayan yung pillow ni Kuya. Oh. Ano yan na siya. Hinihintay lang nila yung time kasi hatid sila ni Daddy sa bus station. Kung saan sila pipick upin ng school bus.
750.
Alis na sila.
Something what?
Sorry.
Good luck. I love you.
No, no, found your pink slippers.
Riz, be going, Riz.
No, I found your pink slippers.
Okay.
Mom, I love you.
Love you.
What's that? Look, last come out looking for shit. What are you looking for now?
Jacket.
Yes. Just bring your jacket. Next day, gumagawa ulit tayo ng focaccia. Nagagata pala ako dito ng barramundi na may salmon with pechay. So, luto na yung aking ginataan na isda. Ayun naman, sasampay ako kasi trabaho ulit tayo. Habang maganda ang panahon, ang walang katapusang labahan dito sa amin. Nandito rin kasi yung training yung mga bata. Tapos yung mga towels na ginagamit nila sa training. And si Johnny Boy, ayan, sampay tayo kasi maganda yung sikat ng araw. Ayan, nasampay ko na. And medyo malamig yung hangin. Stretch natin siya for the second time. Kanina hindi ko na-vlog. Kasi gumagawa tayo. Ulit siya sa oven. Warm. So, ang dinner namin tonight is mag-chicken corn soup tayo. Partner dun sa tinapay na gagawin ko. Dun sa focaccia. And di ba si Kuya umalis kanina papuntang Adelaide para sa knockout. So, hindi ko siya pipick upin ngayon. Dapat may training siya sa month. Pero nasa Adelaide siya. So, si Holly lang yung pipick upin then drop off sa dance. Dalawang dance class niya today. Ito pala skin to ng manok. Inaano ko lang yun, kinukuha ko lang yung flavor. Ini-infuse lang natin yung flavor, tapos tatanggalin ko yan mamaya. So, meron ako dito ang shunad na chicken breast. Hindi pa ako kumakain. Ang sarap ng aking ginataang isda na may pechay. Hindi pa kasi time. Maya-maya. Malapit na. Bago ako magkakain na ako. And etong corn kernels, food processor natin siya. Nagtira akong konti para merong bites. Ayan. Ay! Ayan. Konti lang. Ito. Ayan, okay na to. Kumukulo na yung ating chicken corn soup doon. Lalagay ko lang yung ating dough dito. And meron ako dito ginawang mixture ng ham at saka mozzarella cheese. Shredded cheese lang pala to guys. Hindi yung mozzarella. Shredded cheese lang siya. Okay. And nandito yung dough natin. Ayan na yung dough. So, ilalagay ko lang to dito. Tapos, ipo-fold ko. And, i-rest ulit siya. And, mamaya pagbalik ko, i-bake. So, ayan. Nalagay ko na yung ham and cheese. Ipo-fold ko lang siya. Ayan. Na-flip ko na yung ating dough. Ngayon naman, ibabrush ko to ng olive oil. Kasi ito yung ipang tatakip natin para hindi siya dumikit. Then, mamaya pagdating ko, i-bake. Cover. Nilagay natin sa oven. Ayan yung chicken corn soup. Alis na pala tayo guys. Pick up na natin si Holly. And si Sak, may footy training din siya. Kasi today is Tuesday. Ingay ng car. And then mamaya siguro darating si sa mga 6:30 or 7. Kami ni Holly. Since si Kuya wala naman siyang footing ngayon dahil nasa Adelaide siya for knockout. Ay! Gamit ko yung phone. So, 6:30 ang tapos ni Sak ata. Si Holly, 6. So, 6:30. Before 7, nandito na kami niyan sa bahay. Then, i-bake ko yung focaccia. Then, yung chicken soup, luto na siya. Yung slurry na lang yung ilalagay para mag-thicken yung ating chicken corn soup. And yeah, yun yung dinner. Malamig ngayon guys. Sunny na malamig yung hangin. And maya maya uulan. So sabi niya bago umulan, kunin niya na yung mga sinampay ko. Di ba naglaba ako? Siya nang kukuha nun. Kasi wala na tayo sa bahay. Alright guys. Drive muna tayo. Itim ng ulap dun sa ano. Tingnan niyo. Ulan na mamaya maya. Umuulan na guys. And dito na ako nakapark. Sana tumigil ang ulan bago lumabas si Holly girl kasi wala yung payong. Dito na ang baby ko. Nakita ko na siya. Hi! Oh no. I got towel there for you. Alright, let's go. Tumakbo siya. Okay. Ay, ipat-break ko pa pala yung aking. May binabad ako ditong patatas.
A mother of 3 has been spared jail, instead sentenced to home detention over South Australia's largest ever.
Ayan, meron akong patatas dito.
The magistrate describing her shed as an Aladdin's cave with toilets.
Cutting a lonely figure, there was every chance Dai Trang Thai Trung would walk into court and not come out.
Do you know how close you were to going to jail today?
But the magistrate has let the magistrate serve a 4-month sentence on home detention over what he described as an Aladdin's cave of stolen Lego hidden away in a locked shed. The deliberate course of conduct stemmed from 34-year-old Golden Children's birthday party.
Placing the British-based spin-off under review.
It's a global reality TV hit billed as a bold social experiment that promises a chance at love. But now a dark underbelly has been exposed on the UK version of Married at First Sight.
This is televised abuse, and the person they're abusing then is silenced.
by their on-screen husband. During the BBC's Panorama program,
I kept saying no, that I didn't want to do it. But he kept saying, you can't say no, you're my wife.
one woman saying she'd been threatened with an acid attack if she reported the violent assault.
I had fingerprints from where he grabbed me and forced me.
The second woman told the program's producers she was groped and raped during filming, but the episodes still aired.
After I left the show, I just felt I had completely lost my grip. And I had intrusive thoughts of my own death.
Production company CPL insists it followed strict welfare programs, while UK
New seasons of Max UK from our platforms.
a dark reality of reality TV now in the spotlight. Taylor Aiken, 7 News.
A zoo intruder has landed in trouble climbing into a monkey enclosure in Japan. If the hard landing wasn't bad enough, the man hiding inside the oversized...
Okay. So, i-bake ko na siya. So, ayan yung itsura niya before natin siya i-bake.
Is recovering at home now.
Ipa-cool down lang natin. Na yung soup, yung chicken, corn, egg soup, and yung ating focaccia. So, cut ko na to kasi gutom ng aking pamilya.
Dad. Where's the ham? Oh,
In here.
is it in the box?
Yeah.
Oh, we haven't seen it. What's that cheese?
Yeah, shredded cheese.
Oh, this one, that's all.
Another soup, though.
Huh?
Another soup.
Not much soup. You want more? Okay.
Mom.
Nice. What? Ano?
Try that.
Trying to get some food and balance up here for me.
Crispy.
You didn't get much ham. Here, try that bit.
I like ham, man. Good.
Good.
Better than the normal.
Nice.
Keep making that one.
What? This one? Ham and cheese?
Yeah.
Fresh. Done?
Best eater in the house.
Ubos. Ubos yung soup. Walang natira sa soup. Si Jan nakadalawa. Nakadalawa siyang balik. Ayan yung ating focaccia. Ayan, kalahati. You like it, babe? Yeah. Okay, guys. See you next time. Hey, guys. Hi! Dito pala tayo sa farm. Bago ko pick upin si Holly, pakita ko lang sa inyo kasi may ginagawa dito sa farm. Ayan. So, eto
Ryegrass,
Yeah,
flowers,
ryegrass.
clover.
So, ayan, nilalagay nila yung itatanim na mixture daw siya, ryegrass and bit of everything. So, gagamit ng machine. Ayan. Gagamit silang machine para mag-drill. Ayan, may drill, may, ayan, hindi ko alam kung ang tawag dyan sa machine na yan. But yan yung tractor. Tractor ba ang tawag dito? Ibang machine din siya, guys. Pang ano siya, pang Pang ano siya, pang tanim. So kung maalala nyo, di ba doon, kung nasan yung mga hay, doon magtatanim para lumago ang ating grass. Hindi to ginagawa taon-taon. After few years bago to ginagawa. Ayan siya. That's it. Can I have a look? Ayan. Oh my God.
I don't know what the yellow
What's this? May iba siyang kulay. Yellow. Yeah.
I don't know what that is. That'd be some sort of. Yeah, I don't know, to be honest with you. I didn't guess. It'd be one of them.
Oh, yeah. Basta grass. Grass
Yeah,
for.
there's all clover and ryegrass. I don't know if there's anything else.
Yeah, ryegrass. I know ryegrass and I don't know what's the other one. But ayan, mayroon siyang blue, yellow. Yeah, interesting. Yeah. Madaming ginagawa dito sa farm. Hindi ko lang lahat na feel like ngayon. Saglit lang talaga kasi 2:30 na. 2:45 alis na ako dito kasi pipick upin ko si Holly. So tinawagan ako ni Jan. Sabi niya kung nakaalis na daw ako ng bahay. Sabi ko hindi pa. Sabi niya punta ka na dito kasi dumating na yung yung truck. I don't know what you call this, guys. So in 10 minutes alis na ako. Hindi na siguro natin makikita kung paano nila to gagawin. Kasi pipick upin ko pa si Holly. Busy din kasi to. So ngayon lang siya magagawa. Tapos bukas kasi si Jan meron din siyang charters. Tapos yeah, Friday kids may ganap. Then Saturday football. So ngayon lang talaga magagawa to. What time? What time na? Are you going now? Okay. Okay. Can I drive there? Mag-drive siguro ako. Lilipat ni Jan yung mga baka dito. Andun sila, oh. Naglagay ulit siya ng hay today. Ayun na. Machine. Good luck. Ganyan ginagawa. Binubungkal yung yung lupa, tapos is it planting now as well at the same time, Han? Okay. Yan, dinadaanan niya lang ng machine, tapos diretso ng pinaplant yung seeds. So alis na ako, guys. At least may idea tayo kung paano yung ginagawa yung pagtanim na gamit ang machine. Ayan yung mga baka, oh. Nagsisitakbuhan na sila. Dinala ko na yung car. Wala, dito sila. Okay. See you, babe! So, dito na pala ako sa labas ng school ni Holly. And sinabihan ko si Jan na mag-vlog. Sabi niya, I'm busy. Kasi inaasikaso niya rin yung pagkain ng horse. Kasi maaga niyang i-feed yung horse. Kasi pipick upin niya si kuya mamaya dito sa sa school. Kasi diba kahapon umalis si kuya para sa knockout. Year 9 and 10 knockout football. Then after niya ma-pick up si kuya, alis sila ni Sak kasi si Sak may training naman siya for Interleague. So sa Millicent ang training. Last time or 2 times yata sa sa Mount Burr, ngayon naman Millicent. Then bukas merong charter si Jan, maaga siya bukas. So yeah, yan yung aming life, guys. Kaya kung nagtataka kayo bakit yung vlog ko ay hindi araw-araw or minsan 5 days wala akong vlog. Kasi pag ganun-ganon kami ni Jan sa mga, especially sa mga activities ng mga bata. Tapos dagdag pa yung sa farm. Minsan may ginagawa sa farm, minsan hindi rin naman ako nakakapag-vlog doon. Kasi yung ganap ni Jan doon is yung paggawa niya ng mga, well, na-vlog ko naman yung iba. Yung sa fishing, hindi yung sa charter. Kasi yung sa charter hindi ko yun na-vlog kasi nasa bahay ako, may ginagawa rin ako sa bahay nung ginagawa ni Jan yung pag-prepare niya sa charter. So wala akong vlog noon. Kaya yung vlog ko is pa konti-konti lang kung ano talaga yung ganap na pwede kong ma-vlog. Kasi minsan wala talaga akong time, guys. Gusto kong buksan yung phone tapos iisipin ko pa yung vlog, iisipin ko pa mag-vlog, wag na lang. So, tinatapos ko na yung mga gawain ni Jan. Tapos, yung namin, yung trees, hindi ko alam kung na-vlog ko yun. Namulaklak na sila. So, first time namin kasi to makita. Nung kinuha namin siya, nung nabili or plinansya ni Jan, wala siyang bulaklak. Leaves lang. Tapos yung ibang leaves na wala na, ang nagpalit is bulaklak. Insert ko na lang kung maalala ko, guys, pero linag ko yung saglit. Yan lang. Chika ko lang sa inyo. Naka turtleneck tayo ngayon. Naputla wala akong nag lang talaga ako, nag skincare. Tapos walang lipstick. Then si Holly, may extra dance siya, nag-touch yung teacher niya. Kasi si Holly, 1 hour and a half ang dance lesson niya. Nag-ask kung pwedeng mag-extend ng 15 minutes. So, sabi ko, okay ako kay Holly. So, yung ibang mother, hindi ko alam kung nag-okay sila. Then, Saturday, display. Nakabili ako ng ticket kahapon. So, mayroon silang display. Mag-netball muna si Holly. Tapos ako, naka-duty ako sa canteen sa Saturday. Ako yung magbabantay or mag-serve sa canteen. Then, yung concert is 2:30. So dapat maaga naman yung aking duty, 9 o'clock. So sa canteen 9 o'clock. Tapos si Holly hindi ko mapapanood kasi 10 o'clock yung niya, yung netball niya. So nasa canteen ako niyan. Then kailangan kong i-drive si Holly ng 12 o'clock dito kasi nga magpa-practice muna sila bago yung display. Bago ko sila dalhin sa sa theater na sila pala, magpa-practice ata sila sa theater. Kasi kagabi lang yun sinabi na mag-practice before ng display concert nila. Then, the following weekend, comp na nila. So, yun guys, ang ganap ng aking life namin. Ay, nangali. Gamit ko yung phone. Naiwan ko yung iniwan ko talaga siya kasi sabi ko hindi naman ako mag-vlog the whole day. Kung ano lang yung ganap namin. So, phone na lang. Okay na, 4 minutes na to, guys. Meron pala akong dala. Kahapon, di ba, naginataan ako ng salmon na may petchay. Ayan, may dala ako. Tapos, shirataki rice. So, yan yung aking first meal for today. And, uminom lang ako ng fiber. So, yan. Chika ko lang sa inyo. Hi! What's that?
There's year 7 thing going on. I got a bruise.
Why?
A fake bruise.
Oh my god. Okay, we have to go.
And Sophie painted it for me.
Okay.
She gave me the one with the fidget spinner.
Oh, Sophie? Okay. We have
Sophie's the one who did my bruise.
Okay. We're going now before it get busy. Change na pala siya. And today, you're gonna get your costume.
Yeah.
That's why I think you have 15 minutes extra just to try it on. Alright. Okay, let's go. Dito na pala siya. And pinick up ko na rin yung in-order kong sapatos para sa sa upcoming display and comp. Ayan yung bago niyang shoes na Jazz. Meron siya yung isa black naman. And yeah, they need tan for this costume. Show your costume, please. Ang ganda ng costume niya. Sinad sa amin yung picture niyan eh. Pero ngayon ko pa lang siya makikita. Physical. Let me see. Oh, wow. Wow. Ang mahal ng costume na to, guys. My God. Kung marunong magtahi, ang dami ko sigurong
Careful, because the gems falls off
easily. Oh, very nice. Let me see. Ako nagsukat niyan sa kanya. Minessage kami. Sukatin yung katawan nila. And then, buti na lang. Is it fit you perfectly, Baba?
Yeah. Got the arm sleeves.
Yeah. And what else?
The bow.
The bow. Yeah, nice. Kaya naman ang mahal kasi may pabow pa. Nice. Hoy. Yeah, okay. So, si Jan din pala tinawagan ako na kung pwede ako na lang mag-pick up kay Kuya kasi nasa Millicent pa siya pag dumating si Kuya. So, hintayin namin si Kuya. Hintayin ko siya. I-pick upin ko siya sa school.
What time?
Maybe an hour pa.
And this is my fish
Ako
net.
na. Inunahan niya pa ako. Okay.
And I'm gonna try these on for the first time.
Yeah, we got that. We got that
Like
3 weeks.
when we ordered my dad's shoes. Yeah, like 3
Yeah,
weeks
3 weeks ago. And nakuha na namin yun, pero hindi ko pa sa kanya pinasukat. Pero ngayon, pasukat ko just in case baka yung size hindi kasha.
Here are my fishnets.
It fits perfectly.
Perfectly.
Yep.
They're very nice.
Alright, put that one. Where's your costume? Yeah.
And tonight I'm gonna get all my dance costumes ready.
Yes, we're gonna put that in one bag and then we're good to go for Saturday. Dito pala kami sa Woolies. 6:30 pa ang dating ni Kuya sa school nila. Kuha lang ako ng toilet paper tsaka conditioner. Naubusan ako ng conditioner. Well, paubos na. Toilet paper, Baba. And umuulan, ang lamig na sa labas. The 24 rolls, okay. No. I want the one we have. Kasi nag-change ako ng shampoo and conditioner. Yung mild lang kasi yung aking hair. Eto. Pero wala sila yung malaki. This one, Baba. The Sukin.
They got it out.
I want conditioner. Oh, that's... I wanna get the pump. But they don't have it here. The one we have. May shampoo pa ako. Yung conditioner paubos na. Siguro sa Kohl's na lang, Baba. Not now. Friday. Okay, let's go. Yan na lang muna. No, we don't need. I have bobby pins. Okay. Tan kami ng Baker's Delight para kumuha ng hot dog. Kasi nagugutom na siya. Hintayin pa namin si Kuya. And magluluto lang ako ng sausages tsaka mag-bread lang sila. Yung bread hindi ko nalabas, nasa freezer. Mayroon pa ako doon na focaccia. Pero sa sausages kasi mas masarap yung white bread. Kuha lang ako ng isa nito kasi hindi ko nailabas sa freezer yung ganito natin. What do you want?
Pizza sauce and I want some
What do you want?
pizza sauce.
Okay. Ayan, gusto niya.
Wait, do that.
Ito, kuha tayo nito. Kuhaan ko rin si Kuya kasi baka gutom si Kuya. Hi! What do you think Kuya will like? This one or this one? Is this barbecue? Maybe barbecue. Yeah. Umuulan na. Hungry girl? You got your sanitizer?
Yeah. I hand sanitized it already.
Okay, good. Dito na pala kami sa loob ng school. 5:54 pa lang. 6:30 ang dating ni Kuya dito.
5:54?
Yeah, saan dito mo lang kami maghintay kay Kuya. Ayan na yung bus nila Kuya. Ayan, tingnan yung may extension. May trailer sa likod. Yan ang Kuya natin. Binigyan ni Kuya yung pillow niya at saka yung bag niya. Kinukuha niya lang yung school bag niya. Wala pa si Kuya. And may nakausap akong isang ka-batchmate niya. Kinuha ni Kuya daw yung laptop kasi may homework sila.
I still gotta have a shower.
Yeah, I know. And then I still have to cook. Wala. Sana uwi na tayo. Sorry for sanitizer. Alright guys, alis na kayo kasi magluluto pa ako. Bahay na pala kami. Wala pa si Jan tsaka si Sak. Mag-alas 7 na magluto na ako nito. 8:50 na. And tapos na silang kumain. And yan na lang yung natira. And si Jan, request niyang baon for charter tomorrow is Vegemite and cheese. Sabi ko, gawan ko siya ng sandwich na sausage. Sausage sandwich. Sausage sandwich. Sabi niya, no, I'm alright with Vegemite and cheese. So, dalawa. So, yan. Okay, guys. Maglinis na ako dito ng pinagkainan nila.
Time, so